what do you do to build a really powerful team? Because it's something that many people struggle with. Yeah. Myself, for example, I'm in the process of hiring more people, and it's always very hard to find the right people. And you clearly have been really good at it. So can you tell me a bit about it?
Yeah, I think that's probably the most important part of what I do. Of building a business really is caring so much about the team that you're building. So a few things really quickly. One, if you don't have it already, get the book Who, W-H-O by G.H. Smart. It teaches you top grading. Top grading is the other book. Who is a little simpler to read and follow. And sort of get trained up on Who. That's how we do our interviews, and it's exceptionally effective in terms of figuring out who's amazing in two ways. One, it screens out the people who are just good at interviews but not good at the doing, but it also helps uncover the diamond in the rough. So we've hired people who've failed at multiple interviews at lots of other companies, and then through our interview process we're able to uncover that they're actually amazing at what they do. They're just not good at interviews, and so we hire them, and then they become an all-star on the team. So top grading, great way to get people in, and then once they're in, empathy and just treat people amazingly well. Like when I first got started, I was not thinking like this. And I remember, one of our first hires was taking a nap in the office in the middle of the day. And I was thinking like, oh, we're paying for this right now. My perspective on that has gone 180 degrees. We have a nap room in the office now where people go take a nap anytime they need to. I think just trusting, having a really high degree of trust that I will take care of my team in every possible way. And then they'll do a great job. And so really, rather than measuring the inputs and the day-to-day activities and looking over people's shoulders, focus on measuring the outputs. Are they performing? Or is their team delivering? Are they delivering? If you hire someone and they deliver the results that you want, who cares what time they start or end work or when they take their breaks or what they do? And then just make sure you're there above and beyond to support them in any way possible. I mean, we've had people where they've had to take some time off work for some home or life or mental health issue, and we just keep paying their salary for as long as it would take. So I've had people on salary at one point for over a year because they needed to take some time off, and it wasn't something that our benefits would cover, long-term disability, none of these things would cover it. And we said, that's fine, we'll keep paying you till you figure it out. And I only share that as an example of, take care of your people so that they can take care of you and your business, and look more to the outputs than the inputs.
Alright, so if you're still watching this video, the chances are you really enjoyed it, and if that's the case, well, first of all, thank you for your time, but also make sure that you subscribe and click on that little bell notification button. The simple reason is that if you don't click on it, you may not get notified when I publish new videos. Once again, thank you so much and have an amazing day.